All right, it is day 4. Today's agenda is a coffee tour. No, not coffee, chocolate. A chocolate tour and waterfall visit. So we're going to get to, I think, see how chocolate gets made. I'm not quite sure. But after that, we're going to a waterfall swimming pool to spend some time there. It's our last day with Diego, so we're going to have him take us to go shopping for some souvenirs near the town, and then back to the hotel. Not sure what the plan is for the evening. Probably going to go into town for something, but not entirely sure what.
La cucaracha levanta la pata, levanta la pata. La levanta la pata, levanta la pata, levanta la pata. Para la cucaracha, levanta la pata. ¡Ay!